Your kidneys are working right now, filtering your blood, removing toxins, balancing fluids. And here's the scary part. Most people don't realize their kidneys are in trouble until it's too late. No pain, no warning, just silent damage. But what if I told you that what you drink every day could either slowly destroy your kidneys or protect them for years to come? Today, you'll discover 6 powerful natural drinks that science shows can support kidney health. And one of them might already be sitting in your kitchen. Stay till the end, because number 6 is the most important of all. The problem: why kidneys fail. Most people think they're hydrated. But hydration isn't just about drinking liquids. It's about what kind of liquids. Sugary juices, sweet tea, soda, energy drinks. They look harmless, but inside your body, they quietly increase blood pressure, blood sugar, inflammation. 3 of the biggest enemies of your kidneys. So what should you drink instead? Let's start with something millions of people already love. 1. Black coffee, the unexpected protector. If you love coffee, this will surprise you. Studies show that plain black coffee can actually reduce the risk of kidney stones and even lower the risk of acute kidney injury. Researchers found that people who drank just 1 to 1.5 cups a day had up to a 40% lower risk of kidney stones. Why? Coffee improves blood flow inside the kidneys and contains powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation. But there's a catch. This only applies to black coffee. No sugar, no flavored creamers, no high-phosphorus milk. And moderation matters. Too much caffeine can backfire. 2. Green tea, the ancient kidney shield. Green tea has been used for centuries, and modern science finally caught up. It's rich in catechins, antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, a major cause of kidney cell damage. Green tea helps by lowering blood pressure, reducing inflammation, improving blood sugar control, all critical for kidney protection. And here's how to get maximum benefit. Use high-quality loose-leaf tea if possible. Never pour boiling water directly. Steep gently, short and light. Small changes, big protection. 3. Cranberry juice, more than UTI prevention. Most people know cranberry juice for urinary infections, but it does much more. Cranberries contain proanthocyanidins, compounds that stop bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract. That means fewer infections, less inflammation, and less stress on your kidneys. Research also shows cranberry juice can reduce oxidative stress, support healthy blood pressure, help prevent certain kidney stones. Important: choose unsweetened cranberry juice. Added sugar cancels the benefits. Number 4. Lemon juice, the stone breaker. Lemon juice looks simple, but it's one of the most powerful natural kidney protectors. It's loaded with citrate. Citrate binds calcium in urine, making it much harder for kidney stones to form. Even better, though lemon tastes acidic, it becomes alkalizing inside your body, helping balance urinary pH. A simple habit: mix fresh lemon juice with water daily. Your kidneys will thank you. 5. Beet juice, blood flow booster. Beet juice is rich in natural nitrates. Inside your body, nitrates turn into nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and lowers blood pressure. Better blood flow equals healthier kidneys. Beets also contain antioxidants that reduce inflammation and may help prevent kidney stone formation. Moderation is key. If you already have kidney disease, always consult your doctor. Number 6. Water, the ultimate kidney medicine. And now, the most powerful drink of all. Water. No supplement, no fancy label, no marketing hype. Water flushes toxins, prevents stones, balances electrolytes, reduces infection risk. Dehydration is one of the fastest ways to stress your kidneys. Forget rigid rules. Instead, listen to thirst. Check urine color. Pale yellow is ideal. Adjust for heat and activity. Water isn't basic. It's essential survival medicine. Your kidneys work silently every second of your life. Protect them now, so they don't fail you later. If this video helped you, share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe for more science-based health insights. And start choosing drinks that heal, not harm. Your future body will thank you.